Hello, my name is Jenny and this is my fridge. Inside it there are vegetables such as some tomatoes, onions, garlic, lemons, cucumbers, chilies, potatoes, little lettuce and cilantro. To it we have croquettes of tuna, ham, sausages, Oaxaca cheese, and a little meat. To drink, we can find tamarind water, coke, beer, and apple juice. Extra things are mayonnaise, some butter, cream, some tortillas, milk made, jam, and ketchup. In my cupboard, there is a lot of rice and soups, a little beans, lentils, and salt. There is a little tuna, sugar, cereal, and coffee. To finish, there is a slow mayonnaise, packet mix, vanilla extract, a little chicken flavoring, pork rinds, and some cat food.